We're now looking at the DRO of the planer. These can be calibrated to measure the actual thickness of the stock, but in most cases it gets kind of bumped off. People accidentally hit the set button throughout the day or whatever. So you can just use the absolute feature, and then you can move this and zero it wherever you want. You can either set it at the final depth of your part. You can plane one all the way to 0, press 0, then plane it down. Or you can measure your stock, run it through, hit 0, and then count off from that way. You can use it either way. But you can set this in absolute mode. So I'll go to absolute mode. Right now it reads 0.494, but if I measure my stock, it's actually cutting at 0.307. So in order to recalibrate this, all I have to do is press and hold set, and then it'll start blinking on the set icon. I'm going to press and hold set until I get to the digit I want to adjust. So the first digit I want to adjust is, right now it says 0.6. I want to change that to 0.3. So I'm going to press and hold set, and it's going to start jumping around. Now the 0.6 is highlighted. I'm going to adjust that to be a 0.3 just by pressing the button. Now it's on 0.3. I'm going to press and hold again. It jumped to the next digit. I'm going to change that to a 0. And then I believe this was 0.309. We'll do 0.307 is probably okay. I'm going to press and hold to go to the last digit. Change this to a 7. Oops. Now that I have it all the way across, I'm going to press and hold set until the little text up here that says set is blinking. And then I'm going to press set one more time. Now the machine should be calibrated for your thickness of stock, and you can use this digital readout to set your stock height. You do want to make sure this is set up properly before you trust it. This machine here was not calibrated properly, and the other machine, the DRO, was powered off. When you turn these off, completely turn it off where the screen has nothing on it, it loses its 0 and you have to recalibrate it. So just pressing the on-off button won't do that. But if you fully power this off, if the battery dies or if someone presses the set button, it'll throw this number off. So I just finished the cut, and we can see here it says 0.228. And if I measure it with a pair of calipers, 0.23, 0.229. So 1 or 2 thousandths off from the target.